Make our way down the climb room here. Don't hurt your ankles, Sammy. 3, 4, and 5 jumps. And then breathe in. And as Samus descends, breathe out. Fuck, dude. I just read so much chat that it's like, I don't know. Well, the thing is, I filter. Oh my god, what? I just wiggled past that. Holy shit. Joe, I should get Joe. Who's Joe? Joe, he doesn't miss. This game is so open. That's what I love about it. Looks like Yo Mama and this game have something in common. Oh, I can't tell if you're sarcastic if you legitimately hate chat. 12 million people got less. Wait, hold on. I totally messed that up. Did you just word that weird, or what the fuck? 12 million people less get checks versus last time. 12 million people. Well, it should be fewer, but... Dude, why did you write that like a goddamn stroke victim, dude? Like, what the fuck? 12 million, no space, people less get checks versus last time because of the cap, dot. But, why end your sentence? But, and then you decide to put a fucking comma in there. The bill itself was still really good. Dude, I did sound it out. That doesn't make... Oh god, dude. What a confusing way to write that shit. Yes, scripted. Me and Chad wrote that before my stream. We sat down and said, hey, what's some YouTube stuff? He said, I'm gonna put a Papega sentence and you read it out loud. That's it, Oats. Voila, YouTube content. Fucking genius, Cookie Dough. You fucking hear that shit? Was that just my TV or my speakers? That was loud as hell. Holy shit. Okay. Like reverberated. That's a word. I think it is. Dude, stop with the noises. My god, dude.